How to get my AI on Snapchat. So the first you need to go and open Google Play Store and search for Snapchat to just double check if we got the last updated version of Snapchat. If we do have so, just click on open. And once you do so, you're going to see the camera open here. You just need to click on the messages icon. And here you must find my AI. If you didn't find it, just go back here and then click on your icon up to the left corner and choose settings. And now once here, what you're going to do is scroll down to support and choose I need help. And now click on my AI and just search for how do I access my AI on Snapchat. In here, you're going to read this article very well. And just to set expectations, read this note very well. It says my AI and my AI features are rolling out slowly and may not be available to you just yet. So that means that you are not available to use my AI so far. So it's gonna take some time between a week, a month, or even 3 months until the AI covered all the accounts on Snapchat, and that's how you can able to use it. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Also, let me know down in the comments below if the video is helpful, and thanks for watching.